went into the Dead Sea area and found that the Dead Sea had gone down about 30 to 40 feet, and the water had receded back from the shoreline about 1,800 to 2,000 feet. As we walked out to the water's edge, we found cocoons of bodies encased in salt and gypsum. This shell is 8 foot across, and it collapsed while it was underwater, exposing the corpse. There was a body laying next to an alligator 16 foot long. There was a couple embracing and a baby laying on the chest of the parent. Here's the head of the child, here's the legs down here, and over here is the shoulder and the elbow of the parent, and the arm crosses across in the center. There was a crust of about 4 to 6 inches thick on the outside, and ashen soot about 2 to 3 to 4 inches thick inside.
Have excavated at least 3 out of these 5 sites along the Dead Sea, and they've discovered that all 3 of them were apparently terminated abruptly towards the end of the early Bronze Age at approximately the same time. That abrupt destruction has intrigued people because it's not just a termination. There's actually an ash layer on a couple of these city ruins, and it suggests that the city was destroyed by fire.
The background in chemistry, I found the balls of sulfur to be the most exciting discovery of all. I was able to gather up several balls of various sizes, some the size of a thumbnail, others as big as an egg. Actually, thousands of these balls of sulfur have been found and collected. Except here in these ruins, sulfur balls like these are very rare. It's almost as if the evidence that proves the biblical account has been miraculously preserved along with the site itself. The Bible indicates that the event that destroyed these cities had a supernatural origin. We don't know the exact way it came about, but what we do know is that these burning balls of sulfur rained down upon the cities. We know this because the sulfur has been tested and has been shown to have been on fire. As it rained down, all the flammable objects in the city began to burn, and the heat from the burning sulfur began to build up over time. It's been estimated that temperatures of up to 4,000 degrees